Hello, I'm Jo Brown and I'm a quality of life coach. And I wonder, can you help me help others? Every day I meet incredible women and men who are giving far too much of themselves, leaving little time, energy, or space for their own well-being. My mission is to change that. I want to create free and low-cost support for those who need it most, including online content filled with practical tools and encouragement, transformational online workshops, access to my Live Happier in Deeper membership, fully funded one-to-one sessions for those in urgent need. But here's the truth. Doing this sustainably takes resources. That's why I'm inviting you to be part of the change. By simply buying me an herbal tea, a small donation, you'll directly help me to keep producing these life-changing resources for people who need them. Your support means more than you know. It's not just tea. It's energy, hope, and possibility poured back into someone's life. So please buy me an herbal tea. Click the link below. Thank you for believing in this mission and for helping me to improve the quality of life for others who give so much. Together, we can help them give back to themselves.